Hi everyone, my name is Stephen Conlon and I am a member of the AEC Digital Construction Integration team here at Pentagon Solutions. In today's video, we will look at the recent release of Civil 3D 2025 and how these updates will help you as a user, as well as the services and training Pentagon offer in regards to Civil 3D. So the key updates for Civil 3D 2025 are as follows. Firstly, we have our Esri ArcGIS base maps. So this update is to help designers and engineers visualize terrain, streets and structures. There's 5 Esri base maps which have been added to the Civil 3D ribbon under the geolocation tab. These include open streets, Esri streets, high resolution satellite and aerial imagery, as well as light and dark grey monochrome maps. So next we have a better corridor workflow. So there's actually 2 updates in this one. There's a few things which have been made better in terms of corridor workflows. Firstly, we have a faster corridor build function, as well as adding in a multi-baseline corridor setup. So designers don't have to wade through the pick and click process when setting up a corridor model that has multiple baselines. So with one single click, they can now set up these elements in one go. And then lastly, we've also got the control of the level of detail on surfaces. In this update, you're now able to control the level of detail of your surface to improve the performance of your machine. Therefore, you can improve the performance at the expense of visual fidelity. These are a few of the main new features which can be found in Civil 3D 2025. There's a huge emphasis this year on performance, as Civil 3D has had severe performance issues every year, where this year they've actually started to address this. Here at Pentagon, we offer a range of private and public Civil 3D training courses, with all available online, on-site, or at our fully furnished training suite in Belfast. You can choose from civil engineering in a 3D model-based environment, how to grade your site using Civil 3D, and also a surveyor's guide to Civil 3D, as well as bespoke courses which are available on request. As well as training, here at Pentagon we can also review your company's workflow and consult on the most efficient way to use this software and other technologies within your company. This will drive efficiencies, enable projects to be finished faster, helping your organization gain a competitive edge. Incorrect workflows of technologies can lead to projects being completed in a slower time frame and a high amount of rework. We here at Pentagon want to help you and your company to be the most efficient you can be at these technologies. Thanks for tuning in to our latest video on the new features of Civil 3D 2025. Subscribe to stay up to date and don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter.